Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The present civil writ petition has been filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, seeking issuance of an appropriate writ, order, or direction in the nature of mandamus, directing the respondents to consider and decide the representation submitted by the petitioner within a reasonable time in accordance with law. Stop. The brief facts of the case are that the petitioner was appointed on a contractual basis and has been continuously discharging his duties to the satisfaction of the competent authority. Stop. It is contended that despite repeated representations, the legitimate claim of the petitioner for regularization and grant of consequential benefits has not been considered by the respondents. Stop. Learned counsel for the parties submits that the inaction on the part of the respondents is arbitrary, illegal, and violative of Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. Stop. It is further argued that similarly situated employees have already been granted the benefit sought by the petitioner, and denial of the same amounts to discrimination. Stop. On the other hand, learned State Council submits that the claim of the petitioner shall be considered in accordance with the applicable rules and policies, and that no prejudice would be caused if a direction is issued to decide the representation within a time-bound manner. Stop. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and perusing the material available on record, this court is of the considered view that no useful purpose would be served by keeping the present petition pending. Stop. Without expressing any opinion on the merits of the case, the present petition is disposed of with a direction to the competent authority to consider and decide the representation submitted by the petitioner by passing a speaking order within a period of 8 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Stop. It is further directed that in case the petitioner is found entitled to any relief, the same shall be released to him expeditiously in accordance with law. Stop. However, it is made clear that if the petitioner is still aggrieved by the decision so taken by the competent authority, he shall be at liberty to avail such alternative remedies as may be available to him under the law for the time being in force. Stop. No order as to costs, all pending miscellaneous applications, if any, shall also stand disposed of accordingly in view of the present order passed by this court. Stop.